Alright, let's go through this differentiation question. Given that y equal to 1 over square root x squared plus 3, right? Show that x squared plus 3 dy dx plus xy will be equal to 0. Okay, so I believe this one is an O-level question. And of course, let's do our differentiation first. So for example, right, if I have this y equal to 1 over x squared plus 3 bracket to the power of half. So I want to make into non-fraction form. I simply just put x squared plus 3 to the power of negative half. Okay, then after that, you just differentiate. dy dx, right, is equal to, okay, so now the power you bring down, negative half. Then after that, x squared plus 3 bracket to the power of negative 3 over 2. But of course, don't forget to differentiate inside. Bracket 2x bracket. So what you will get is negative x bracket x squared plus 3 bracket negative 3 over 2. Okay, so after you reach this step, right, okay, you make it into like this. So dy dx is equal to negative x over x squared plus 3 bracket 3 over 2. So you make it into this fraction form. You do a bit of cross multiplication. So this one you cross to the left hand side. So what you get is x squared plus 3 bracket 3 over 2 dy dx is equal to negative x. Okay, so you can see the form is very similar to the thing that they want already. Okay, so now I want to bring the negative x to the left hand side also. So it's plus x already. So x squared plus 3 bracket 3 over 2 dy dx, right, plus x is equal to 0. So of course the last step is actually to multiply y on the left and right hand side. So you multiply by y and you multiply by y. Okay, so what is y? So of course if you go back to the form, right, the y is actually this thing, which is x squared plus 3 to the power of negative half. So I simply just multiply the y by this thing and y by this. So x squared plus 3 bracket 3 over 2. So I multiply by y. Then after that, dy dx, right, plus xy equal to 0. Because 0 times y is still 0. Then after that, okay, so if you look at this, we know that y itself is equal to x squared plus 3 bracket to the power of negative half. So of course, when you multiply by this whole thing right here, so the whole thing is x squared plus 3, the whole thing bracket to the power of 1 already. So now is x squared plus 3 bracket to the power of 1 dy dx plus xy equal to 0. So in this case, you have shown the form that they want. Alright.